Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best dash cams to buy in 2026, you're in the right place. Dash cams are no longer just accessories, they're essential for safety, insurance protection, and peace of mind. Today, I've selected the top 5 best dash cams of 2026, covering everything from 4K video quality to 360-degree coverage, GPS tracking, night vision, and smart features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. 4K 360-degree dash cam, 4-channel full coverage. This is a 4-channel 360-degree dash cam designed for full vehicle coverage. It records front, rear, left, right, and inside the cabin all at the same time. It also includes GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, night vision, voice control, and comes with a 128 GB memory card. This dash cam is ideal for drivers who want maximum protection. With full surround recording, nothing goes unnoticed, perfect for rideshare drivers, taxis, or families. The night vision performs well in low light conditions, and the mobile app makes footage access quick and simple. Pros: true 360-degree full vehicle coverage, 4-channel recording with inside camera, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking, voice control and 24-hour parking mode, 128 GB card included. Cons: more expensive than standard dash cams. Installation can take longer due to multiple cameras. If you want total security and all-around coverage, this is one of the most advanced dash cams you can buy in 2026. Number 2. 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear. This dash cam records front and rear in true 4K resolution, includes GPS, G-sensor, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and comes with a free 128 GB memory card. It also supports up to 512 GB storage. The video clarity is outstanding, especially during daytime driving. License plates and road signs are clearly visible. The 3-inch IPS screen is bright and easy to navigate, and the parking mode adds extra security when your car is parked. Pros: dual 4K recording front and rear, excellent video clarity, built-in GPS and G-sensor, supports up to 512 GB storage, 128 GB card included. Cons: no interior camera. Parking mode may require hard wiring. This is a perfect choice for drivers who want crystal clear front and rear footage without needing extra cameras. Number 3. VIOFO A229 Ultra 3-channel dash cam. The VIOFO A229 Ultra features a 3-channel setup with dual 4K front plus 1080p cabin camera. It uses triple STARVIS 2 sensors, supports HDR, includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and smart voice control. This dashcam delivers professional-grade video quality, especially at night. The STARVIS 2 sensors significantly improve low-light recording. It's a great option for Uber, Lyft, and professional drivers who need inside cabin recording. Pros: dual 4K plus cabin camera, excellent night vision performance, STARVIS 2 sensors with HDR, voice control and GPS, reliable VIOFO build quality. Cons: higher price point. Cabin camera is 1080p, not 4K. If video quality and night performance matter most, the VIOFO A229 Ultra is one of the best premium dash cams available in 2026. Number 4. REDTIGER 4K STARVIS 2 Dash Cam, F7N Touch. This dash cam records 4K front and rear, features a STARVIS 2 sensor, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, and a 3.18-inch touchscreen. It also includes a 128 GB memory card. The touchscreen makes this dash cam very user-friendly. Video quality is sharp, and downloading footage is fast thanks to the 20 megabytes per second Wi-Fi speed. Voice control works well and adds convenience while driving. Pros: 4K front and rear recording, STARVIS 2 sensor for better night footage, touchscreen display, fast Wi-Fi and GPS, memory card included. Cons: app interface could be improved, slightly bulky design. This is a great balance of performance and ease of use, perfect for everyday drivers who want premium features without complexity. Number 5. 4K plus 2K dashcam 2-channel. This dashcam records 4K front and 2K rear, dual-band 5.8G/2.4G Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, night vision, WDR, and includes a 64GB memory card. It delivers solid performance for its price. Video quality is clear, installation is easy, and the wide 170-degree angle captures more of the road. It's a great option for users who want reliable protection without overspending. Pros: 4K front plus 2K rear recording, dual-band Wi-Fi, built-in GPS and G-sensor, wide-angle lens, affordable price. Cons: smaller memory card included, fewer advanced smart features. This is an excellent budget-friendly dashcam that still delivers strong performance and essential features. Thanks for watching today's video. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. See you in the next one.